Sa sisian pat upai ba nongsong snong jong ni kijela unkre banyo aban saki biang yakawai ni kijingile ka football kabla rimha ka doba Asia kata ka Duran Cup ka ba menta ka kenti kini ka lempong ila ka kala kinjo sya ka ba Shispa Life South League snem kijing pelong ya ka kumta habai dei bat kini menta ka singi balang jong ka tayo ka sorkar jela rangkat ki Shispa jong ka Indian Air Force kilawan banyo don bentalang ha kijingilang ban pen benaya su pai ba ya kijingwan banyo kejat biang sa sisian jong ka ni ka lempong Hakaba ka nong ba chalong sa sisin la ibet ya ka bakan pelong ya ka way ni kijing ikun jong ka group match ka blabo banlong hajen stadium polo ka number ka kateng jong ni ka limpong ka long ka Indian All Duran Cup ba ya kijing lang ban pen benaya so pai ba jong ka jala la pelong apo State Convention Center Kikenram kilendan ki blapoi si kijing lang ka kentop na do mentri rang ba ka jala konrat ki sangma mentri ka tanat ilaka ba Shakler Warjri Air Marshal Suraj Singh Air Officer Commanding in Chief ka Eastern Air Command, Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik, GOC 101 Area, Mohit Malhotra, AVSM SM, Chief of Staff Headquarter Eastern Command, but Chairman Joga DCOC, ringkat kiway pat ki Shipai pat kinong mikmat dong ka sorkar. Kumban chupin kan mau ba haus nemu paladep ka kunhon ka babat ya ka nam ladu ka de ka weni ki club jong ka than chiti lambingi ka bay khon na ka limpong ila ka jong ka Indian Super League ka North East United. Namar ba haus nemu paladep upai ba uba iet pat pasotna de ka football ulapan pau shisha ya kata ka mensim ka jong u kan no tam lele haba kum ka jala ya menta ka ladon ya ka madan ila kai ka bapaka da kumta keyboard penya jong ni ka limpong klem ka no ka jing artitien bet kila ailat biang ya ka nong ba shlong bakan pelong ya ka weni ka jing ikun jong ka group match haba pa shi ka jing lang ka ba menta ka singi ka long bet ka jing pani ya ka trophy ka bade na ka menta jong ni ka limpong pala pelong ru wat ya ka jing pani ya shi ki pai ba ka ba Kanom kot tanghang ni hanong ba shlong hanray kan poilang ru hanong stone bat hatura. Hagani ka kenti ka ba menta kanong ba shlong kanyo ya ka kabu ban pelong ya ki jing khon ki badai na kamenta ka group E pat ki club ki bla penya kap hagani ka group long ka North East United Football Club bot pat sa ka shlong la jong football club ka Rangdajet United Football Club pat kandon sakaway pat ka kanhon ila ka ki Shipai ki bandai na shabar jong kari.
Edition of the Duran Cup Trophy, the Trier of Trophies, the Duran Cup, the Preston Cup, and the Shimla.
Host this, and we're very proud of our armed forces. And even in the recent months, we all know the kind of operations that were held during the Operation Sindoor, and the way our armed forces have made us proud and have really been able to give a very strong and fitting reply to the enemy. It makes us all proud, and therefore I take this opportunity on behalf of the citizens and the people of our state of Meghalaya, in the presence of our Lieutenant General as well as our Air Marshal and all the other armed forces, to let you know that we are indeed very proud of the service that you give to our as a nation. We believe that sports is a very integral part of the upbringing of our youth and a very integral part of the overall holistic development of our youth. And sports is very critical, keeping in mind that India being a young nation, and the Northeast and Meghalaya being even a younger nation, younger state compared to even the rest of India. And therefore it is absolutely necessary for our states to focus on youth-related activities so that we are able to really encourage them, we are able to create the right discipline, the right character building, and keep them engaged in different activities. And therefore sports has played a very important role, and this entire thought process has driven the strategy, driven the policy and the actions that we have taken when it comes to sports. I'm very happy today that MSOA Working President is here, and he will share with you and tell you that the way government has supported sports in the last 7 years has been very, very, very different, and at a different level compared to what it was in the years before. Whether it is the support to the different associations, whether it's the tournaments that we are having, whether it's the Meghalaya Games that we are hosting, whether it's the investments we are making in the manpower, whether it's the selection processes of ensuring that scientific process is used for building up athletes for the future. All of this is being done in a very, very strategic manner, with a goal, as mentioned by the Honorable Sports Minister, to be able to bring out athletes who can win medals in the national games as well as win medals even in international games and Olympics also. So it's really that goal and that objective that is driving the different aspects of the programs that we have. In the last 7 years, you'll be very happy to know that we have almost about 215 different projects for sports infrastructure being implemented in the state as we speak. And this makes up for close to 70% of all the infrastructure that's available in Meghalaya. So in the last 7 years, close to 70% of the infrastructure for sports was proposed, created, and work is going on right now in the last 7 years of our government. And close to about 2,000 crores worth of sports infrastructures are being created. The 134th Durand Cup, where we will be seeing one of the groups for the league matches which will be held here. There will be close to 8 matches which will be played in Shillong, and all this has been made possible because of the armed forces having selected Shillong as one of the locations, and also because of the hard work of the officials from the sports department, our sports minister, and all the stakeholders involved in preparing the venue, which I can tell you has not been very, very easy or very simple for us. I still recall last year, even to the last moment, we were still struggling to make arrangements because small problems kept creeping up. But our officials from the armed forces kept up their confidence, had the trust on our officials and our team. And our team also delivered by ensuring that they worked day and night. And we had a very, very successful season last year, where I can proudly say that Shillong was maybe one of the best hosts in terms of the field, in terms of the arrangements, and most importantly in terms of the fan turnout that was there. I can confidently say, if not the best, Shillong was one of the best locations, and I'm sure that many of the officials will agree with that. And I can assure you that this year also will be the same. We expect more response, in fact, from the people. We have more local teams this time participating, so that makes it even more, more engaging for the fans, the football fans of Shillong and of the state of Meghalaya. So therefore, we expect a huge turnout this time also, and we are making special arrangements to ensure that the JN Stadium, which may not have the necessary capacity to host all the fans, we are ensuring that this time the fan parks that we had created at the last moment last year, because we had a demand for 1 lakh tickets last year during the match in the semi-finals. and that time we could not host all the fans, and hence we created fan parks. But this time we'll ensure that we are able to create the fan parks in a much more better manner, in a much more better location, and so that the fans can actually enjoy every match that is going to be held here in Shillong.
3 iconic trophies in the footballing loving areas of Meghalaya will inspire the young generation. The state government for generously hosting the invited foreign team pro bono, reflecting their hospitality and global outlook for this beautiful state. Shillong will host 4 exciting teams this year. The Malaysian Services team, representing our valued friends from across the seas and adding international flavor. Northeastern United Football Club, the defending champions. Local and Rangdajayat United Football Club, another pillar of football in Meghalaya. All matches will be played at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, which has been so meticulously and painstakingly prepared for the occasion. The tournament kicks off on 26 July, followed by league matches on 29 July, 2nd, 5th, 8th and 11th August. Shillong will also proudly host one of the quarter-final matches, promising a high-stake football for the fans. And should one of our teams qualify for semi-finals, we will bring the semi-final match also to Shillong. The Indian Army has been synonymous with the Durand Cup for decades. Our association with the tournament is not merely organization. It's a reflection of the Army's core value of excellence in management, unbiased conduct, transparency, and strict adherence to timelines. The Durand Cup continues to be conducted on a no-profit, no-loss basis, ensuring that the focus remains purely on promoting football, fair play, and nurturing talent. We look forward to the people of Shillong and Meghalaya coming out in large numbers, as they always do, to support the players and celebrate the beautiful game. With your energy in the stands and the dedication of the teams on the field, I am confident this edition will be a resounding success. Thank you and Jai Hind.